Oftentimes when people think about estate planning, they think about passing away. But the other really important factor when it comes to estate planning is planning for if you were to get sick. A majority of the population are going to be sick for an extended period of time before they actually pass away. And estate planning is the opportunity to be able to put your wishes on how you want your healthcare decisions made and your financial decisions made if you were unable to make them for yourself. While doing your estate plan, it's important to think about end-of-life decisions. And when we talk about this, there are important documents that will relate to this. Oftentimes they're known as a living will. They might also be known as a healthcare power of attorney, but in California, we specifically refer to them as an advanced healthcare directive. This is a document where you are allowed to nominate agents to be able to make healthcare decisions for you if you are unable to. Who would you want to be able to step in and make those decisions? I generally recommend nominating one primary and two backups. If you're married, you can nominate your spouse, but you don't have to. It's anybody that's over the age of 18 that you would want in that role that you trust to make your healthcare decisions. In addition to your agent, your healthcare directive also allows you to put certain end-of-life decisions in there. Do you want cremation? Would you want burial? Would you want to be on extreme life support, or would you want to be taken off? Would you want to do any type of organ donation for transplant purposes, or would you not want to do that at all? These are all very important decisions that should be documented in your advanced healthcare directive. Without having an advanced healthcare directive in place, your family may be shut out of any healthcare matters when it comes to you. If you are not physically conscious to be able to say, I want this person to be able to make decisions for me or know what's going on, they may not be able to do anything without a court order. And this is where your family gets into crisis planning, because now they're having to file conservatorships to be able to get access to make healthcare decisions. This can all be prevented by having an advanced healthcare directive in place now. The best time to do it is while you are healthy and you are not in a stressful situation. Because at some point, if something were to happen and you lacked the mental capacity to actually complete that document, your wishes would not be legally in writing, and you would have a judge deciding who is going to make that decision for you. And it may not be who you would want. In addition, there's also a lot of costs that come associated with it. Filing for a conservatorship is very expensive. It could be upwards of $5,000 to $10,000, right? Whereas if you just have this one document now, it ensures that any healthcare decisions that you want, you have those agents identified to be able to make them at a very low cost compared to what it would be for a conservatorship.